Hello everyone, my name is Waldi Marbun. I'm a student at State University of Medan. I am from Class C, Englis Literature 2021. In this video, we will learn about two branches of linguistics, Pragmatics and Semantics. The first one is Pragmatics. The definition of Pragmatics, according to Levinson, as an expert, he said Pragmatics is a study of language from a functional perspective that attempts to explain the facets of linguistic structure by reference to non-linguistic pressures and causes. So, we can conclude that Pragmatics is a study of aspects of the use from meaning and language that depend on speakers, receivers, and other features of the context of speech. There is two types of pragmatics. The first one is pragma-linguistic, and the second one is socio-pragmatics. Pragma-linguistic is the study of the general conditions of communicative use of language. Socio-pragmatics is the study of local conditions, or more specific local conditions regarding the use of language. Now, we move to the characteristics of pragmatics. Pragmatics is the study of relationships between signs or symbols and their interpreters. Pragmatics is the study of language use. Pragmatics is the study of relationships between language and context. Pragmatics is the study of deixis, implications, presuppositions, speech acts, and aspects of discourse structures. Pragmatics is the study of how language is used to communicate. Pragmatics is the study of language and a functional perspective. And now I will give some example of pragmatic sentence. The first one is I heard you. Semantically, heart refers to an organ in our body that pumps blood and keeps us alive. However, pragmatically, heart in this sentence means love. Heart usually used as a symbol for love. And to hurt someone means that you love someone. The second example is, if you eat all of that food, it will make you bigger. Semantically, bigger in the sentence means you will get larger than you are currently. But pragmatically, the meaning will be different depending on the context. If it is said to a young child, it would mean to grow bigger. If it is said to a grown person who already obeys, the meaning will be entirely different. And that's all about pragmatics. Now we move to the semantics. Semantic definitions, according to Charles Morris as an expert, he said, semantics is the relations of signs with objects which are the container for the applications of the signs. In general definitions, semantics means the meaning and interpretation of words, signs, and sentence structure. And semantics has a benefit itself. The first one is we will get practical benefits from knowledge about semantics, which can make it easier to choose and use the words with the right meaning in conveying information to the public. This benefit is suitable for those whose jobs are related to news or reporting, such as journalists, reporters, and others. For ordinary people, semantics is still needed to be able to understand the world, which is full of information and linguistic traffic that continues to grow. Semantics have some general rules. The number one, the relationship between a lexeme and its reference is arbitrary. Number two, there are time studies that are synchronous, which means in a certain period of time, the meaning is fixed, does not change either past or present. And diachronic, which means in a long period of time, the meaning is relatively changed. Number three, different forms, different meanings. Number four, each language has its own semantic system. Number five, the meaning is related to the view of life or culture. Number six, the breadth of form, the breadth of meaning. I will give you a simple example of semantics. The first one is, a toy block could be called a toy, a block, or a cube. The second example is, a child could be called a child, boy, girl, son, or daughter. And that's all the explanations about pragmatics and semantics. I hope by watching this video, more or less you understand about the two branches of linguistics. And at last but not least, thank you for watching. Goodbye!